This guide will walk you through the process of manually listing singles using TCG PowerTools. To begin, choose your trading card game by simply clicking on the game icon. Now let's head to the listing and appraisal view. There are 3 ways to import your cards manually, edit them, and upload them all on Cardmarket. Let's start with the first listing method, and then I will guide you through all the different options. After you click on single card mode, start typing the name of the card you want to add. There are more ways to search for cards. You can use the name of the card and specify the expansion, or write the expansion code plus collector number. Then click on the card, or press Enter on your keyboard to select the card you want to add. By default, the card will be in English, near mint condition and quantity of 1. In this view, you can change the quantity, add a comment, or use keyboard shortcuts to change other parameters of your card. When you are done setting the parameters, press Enter to list the card. If you prefer, you can change the default values for a card you are listing. For example, if you want to list only French cards in excellent condition, you can make your life easier by setting the template. Now when you list new cards, they will have new default values. If you made a mistake and want to change the parameters of the listed card, click on the Edit icon. A pop-up window will appear where you can change the parameters. The second way to add cards is by expansion. It's intended for traders that have a stack of sorted cards from the same expansion in front of them. First, choose one from 4 sorting options, then select the expansion you are going to list. Here, when I press Enter, the card gets to the list and immediately goes to the next one. So if you have your cards in front of you sorted, you can quickly cycle through this, make the necessary adaptations, and continue. If you don't have a card in your pile, you can just press B to skip the card, but also go back with V if you want. The third option is bulk adding cards. This option is recommended if you want to add an entire expansion at once. First, select the expansion, then select how many cards from each rarity you want to add. Check the default template, and when you are ready, click on the Add Articles button. Once you've listed all the cards you want, select them all and publish them to Cardmarket. This guide covered the steps to manually list singles using TCG PowerTools.